guys, let's start our discussion on a very important topic which comes under jurisprudence and which is very relevant for any law background student or any person. So the topic which I'm going to discuss in this video is administration of justice. What does justice means? What are the various grounds on which a state have a duty towards the implementation of justice? What does if justice does not perform by any state? Does this considered a state a proper state, a democratic state, or where it considered to be known as a state or a government? Hello guys, I am Kartikeya Hundet in a team of LEXIS and Company as an intern from their virtual program known as LEXCLIQ. The purpose behind this video is only for an educational purpose. So let's start our discussion on that very important topic which is known as administration of justice. As we know that state have a certain duties and rights to be performed to maintain the peace and security in a state. Therefore, the state has to maintain a situation of law and order and establish peace and security in a society. So the state, which means a government, given authority to regulate, form such policy or such instrument or execute such laws in such a way that there is no discrimination or there is no violation of any law and order situation in a country. So administration of justice is one of the primary function of a government. As we know that the government have various functions towards its citizen and towards the international community also. So one of the function is administration of justice. The main function of administration of justice is to protection of an individual rights and enforcement of law and punishment for a wrongdoer. So what does this function consider? To bifurcate this definitions, what the administration of justice means, first we discuss the protection of individuals' rights. So if someone's right is violated by someone, then there is a violation of law. Therefore, the state has to enforcement of law. Second is enforcement of law. So if a person's right is violated, so the state sees that there is a violation of law, so there has to be a punishment for such person. Then the third and important comes the punishment of a wrongdoer. So a person who committed any wrong against any person or against the state has to be punished. Therefore, if both these three important features is combined, we know that the administration of justice is equally done or performed by the state. So let's move on with our discussion and understand more on the administration of justice and importance of justice. As we know that there are various professions and law background student and the various jurists also say there is no better test of excellence of a government than the efficiency of a judicial system. So administration of justice is done by a judiciary. Judiciary is given a role to perform or administer its functions towards the justice in the country. So according to Salmon, he said that the law may be defined as a body of principle recognized, but the application of such law by the state in the form of administration of justice. So law is a body of principle recognized or enforced by the public and regular tribunals in the administration of justice by Roscoe Pound. So both these two most important jurists says that the administration of justice plays an important role. If there is a law but there is no functions or no administration of such or no regulation or no safeguard enforcement of such law or taking if there is any violations, so what kind of such law is happening or benefit for a society? So the administration of justice is very important. The administration of justice means a justice according to the law. It does not mean there is something against the law or which is not given in a law. Administration of justice should be done according to the rules and laws. Judiciary generally considered to be a main guardian of administration of justice. Justice generally means that the equality of being just. So justice considers the importance of integrity, righteousness and impartiality by the parties, by the administration of justice. So administration of justice generally divided into two forms. First is the civil form and second is the criminal form. So let's start what are civil justice and criminal justice. So civil justice and criminal justice both are the different branches of administration of justice. Basically the civil distinction between civil and criminal justice is that the crime are public wrongs and the civil wrongs are individual wrongs. As we all know that the civil wrongs are the infringement of private parties or civil right, whereas the criminal wrong or criminal crime is committed against the person or against the society at large. So crimes are the breach and violation of public rights. Therefore Salmons points out that the importance of distinction between lies in between the legal consequences of criminal and civil wrongs. As we know that the criminal assaults are punishable offenses and they are punished according to the punishment given under the IPC, whereas the civil wrongs or civil wrong considers civil wrongs such as given in the tort or contract or civil CPC is the procedural law. So these are the compensation. There is happening a compensation justice. Civil justice administration in one set of court, whereas criminal justice is an administration in somewhat different set of court. So criminal court are the session court, district court are the civil court have their different courts also. So civil procedure and criminal procedure can be given in the various laws. As we know, CRPC, Criminal Proceeding Code, is defined the procedure related to the civil wrongs, whereas criminal wrongs, whereas the CPC, Civil Procedure Code, provides the procedure related to civil wrongs. The objective of civil proceeding is to enforcement of right, while the objective of criminal proceeding is to punish the wrongdoer or wrong person who committed the wrong. Now in this video we already discussed and understand the overview of the administration of justice. In the next video I made up basically on the various topics related to the theories of punishment, what are the various type of punishment can be given by a court and what is important towards the society. Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like this video. If you understand this, please like this video or subscribe this channel for more updates related to legal issues. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are all in good health. Please stay home, stay safe, and please wear a mask when you are going outside. Thank you guys.